ETO salary in merchant navy, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी, वी ऑल वांट टू अर्न मनी. सो यहाँ पर मैं दो चीज़ आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि द फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि एज ए ETO द बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस यार कि से एज अ मरीन इंजीनियर इफ आई जॉइन ऑन बोर्ड शिप आई विल बिकम अ फोर्थ इंजीनियर, say my salary will be how much, say $3,000 a month. Then I become a third engineer, my salary is $4,000 a month. Okay, then I become a second engineer, my salary is say $8,000 a month, and then I become a chief here, my salary is say $10,000 to $12,000 a month. Okay, in case of ETO that is the only rank. So in case of merchant navy, not in case of cruise, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, in case of merchant navy, say as a trainee ETO your salary was $700 a month and you become a ETO on same kind of ship and your salary becomes say $4,000 a month, then ये फिर constant हो जाएगी. It will be slightly increasing, not much more. Let me explain you in detail. Let me. So first thing is you did a 4 months pre-C course, 8 months as a trainee ETO on board ship, where your salary will vary between $500 to $750 a month. Then you clear your COC exams, you get ETO COC license, and then you go as an assistant ETO or ETO full role. So now your salary is dependent on, first thing is what kind of company you are sailing in. Say shipping company, it's a ownership company or management company. Ownership companies are जो जिनके खुद के जहाज है, they take care of their employees. They have less ships, but they are good. अच्छी ownership companies की बात करो, they take care of their employees. So say you are sailing on same kind of ship, say bulk carrier. These are dry ships, same kind of same ship, and you have got same experience, say 1 year. So out here, ownership company will give you more salary as compared to a management company. So say Shell is a ownership company, Anglo-Ocean is a management company. But what I'm keeping constant is the type of ship is constant and experience is constant. Now, what we'll do is let's keep same management company. Say it's a management company. Say you are sailing with Mehta Shipping Management Company. Now, either you are sailing on a bulk carrier or a tanker or a cruise or LNG, your salary will vary. So for a bulk carrier, salary can be say $4,000 a month. For a tanker, same company, your salary can be $5,000 a month. You go on LNG carrier, salary can go up to $8,000 to $10,000 a month. And if I've got cruise and with experience you become chief ETO, your salary can go up to even $12,000 to $15,000 a month. Again I'm talking good company. Then हो गया. वहीं पर say you keep the company constant and you keep the type of ship constant, then experience wise there is not much of an increase. Say in a bulk carrier, first experience you might getting $3,000 a month, second contract you might get $3,500, third contract $4,000, but then after that by constant maybe $100 every contract increase, not much more. So this is where you can play the game, especially the type of ship. This should get the first priority, change it. Second is the company, and last में आता है experience guys. Okay, salary structure I have already explained to you guys. ये कैसे vary करता है based by vessels. I have told you bulk carrier पे salary कितनी, LNG carrier पे कितनी, oil tanker पे कितनी and cruise ship पे कितनी guys. Good thing about working on LNG carrier is that your salary is more. Good thing about working on a cruise ship is that even your salary is more, plus you become chief ETO, staff ETO, so you're also getting promoted like in engineers and deck officers. It is happening. But joining cruise is not easy. Joining LNG is not easy. It takes time and it takes a lot of efforts. So maximize your earning कैसे करोगे? Join LNG or complex type of ships or go for cruise. Work for ownership companies, which is better. And if you have got a good employment treatment, good company, go prove your loyalty. And your loyalty should not be towards the company but towards your profession. Wherever you are working, give your best shot. With this, if you are joining Merchant Navy, download Merchant Navy Start app as an electrical officer. It will keep you updated, upgraded on the go. You might be watching this video 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, but this app is updated. Anything related to the latest updates, latest information center, anything changes in the company, in the shipping industry, anything, it is updated and upgraded there. In 7 months, 1 lakh plus downloads guys. As of now in 2026, we do not plan to start our ETO aspirant offline coaching at SMVD Marine Academy Dehradun. But so presently, all we have got at Merchant Navy Recruit is ETO Aspirant Excellence Package. Hundreds of students have utilized this package and have got great selections at top-notch shipping companies. Go check out the free trial videos. Link is in description box and then invest. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.